Okay, so it's a few days later, a few rains later. There's an actual puddle on the floor, and my patch of tissue is absolutely saturated. So I have a much bigger problem than I first thought. To do another bit of scraping back. This is how far we have problems in the back. This is from the roof. The roof is leaking. So I gotta get up on the ladder and have a look on top of the roof. I am delighted! The ceiling worked. It's sealed. It's not raining inside. You gotta take these wins. So we're all clear. Whole wall's clear. I'm so happy with it. I'm so happy. It's all done, all the way over. That one's dry already, but this one is drying. It goes right in. We're gonna peel this right back. I'm nearly there actually. This floor also needs to be done, and something needs to be done about this shower and the ceiling as well. So as you can see, there's plenty to do. I'm going to fix it now. I'm not taking anything else apart. And here's my wall now. I have the right styrofoam and I have cutouts, but I'm going to stick a load of kitchen roll along the top here because I am satisfied it's not leaking anymore, but I want to be triple sure there's no more water getting in before I seal the wall up. Okay, you ready? I think we're okay. I think we are actually okay. I think it is. It's fucking bone dry! It's bone dry! That wall is fully done. Ceiling is depressing. Back wall is also depressing. But the wall is fully put together, so that's progress. And my floor as well is looking pretty freaking spectacular. Now I know it was only a very small bit, but it took ages. That's my bathroom now is coming on. I gotta fix the roof and the back wall, but you know, it's a work in progress and the progress is progressing. It looks just like it. But look at the toilet now. Toilet! And that wall is done and that wall is done. I have a back wall, and I have a side wall, and I have a this way wall, and I have no shower anymore, and my floor is completely sealed except for that one line there, and I ran out of floors. So there's the back wall and the side wall. Now the ceiling has yet to be completed, but all of my walls are done, and I have the pieces I need for the ceiling. I've just run out of hours in the day. I have some nice tiles in my kitchen now. So the kitchen is like a separate unit from the rest of the caravan. And I have some nice material to hang as curtains. And I'm back at the caravan and I'm so happy. Okay, first off, my curtains are fucking so cool. Such a nicer curtain. It's like lighter and brighter and yeah. But the best part is in the bathroom. Look at my bamboo wall. Bamboo wall. And it means when you walk in, the toilet will be in here, in the bamboo wall part. And you can sit in here. You still can see and you still get some light, but it just gives a screen so like the door can be open and you can be sitting on the toilet and be like having a pee, having a poo, and you can still get nice fresh air and daylight, but not like be visible and gawped at from the door being open. So when I'm outside and I look in and I'm going into the thing, that's what I see. And it's like, awesome, awesome sauce. I am such a genius. So I just gotta finish. I could actually stick it. It's just standing there like freestanding. But I just gotta stick it. I gotta finish that floor, which I'm doing now. And then bring this the rest of the way around. There's enough of this to just be the wall all the way around as far as here. Oh my god, look at this. Look at this. Okay, so you come in the bathroom and you come around the corner and you've got a bamboo wall. Bamboo wall. Oh my god, I love it so much. Okay, you ready? Ta-da! Oh, I want to close that down. I will now in just a minute. We need a little bit of light in. So there's this end. All clean and tidy and nice. And that's all clean and tidy and nice. That's the difference now of putting in that shelf. Is that now everything can be on the shelves and I can work from that, and Just have it like put away tidy and nice. And all the way tidy and nice. For now. Until the next time. All closed up, locked up. I'm going to take that bin bag away with me. And now the next time I come out here, I have a beautiful space to come out to. I am here now to do my wallpaper in. And the paint has dried lovely. It's perfect. It's ready to go. I've removed all the screws from the back wall because it has been wood glued to the wood frame that was there. And then the screw, there's a couple more screws there. And then the screws were just holding it in place while the wood glue solidified. And that's not moving anywhere. That's an amazing wall. That's an amazing wall. That's not really that an amazing wall. It's got like a bulbous thing on it, but I'm not taking it off. I can't deal with it. This wall is maybe not as amazing. I might need to leave those screws in, but I don't care. Do you want to see today's progress? Not as much as the other day, but I have a blind that works. And the wallpaper dried magnificently. It's absolutely gorgeous. Ignore that little line at the top. That doesn't exist. I have this all cleared off. That one there, I still need to figure out how to fix it, but I fixed the one in the corner. So that's fully done. I have the paper cut to fit here along the bottom on that corner. So that paper is ready to go right there. I'm really getting there. I really am getting there. I'm going to cut out the shapes for wallpaper for there. And then I'm finished here for today. Because I have the spray for up here. I have the ceiling cut and ready to go up. I should have sprayed and put the ceiling up before I wallpapered. But I know for the next time. My bathroom now has insulation all the way. I don't know if there's a hole there, but I have spray foam to go in now on any of the holes. The lights are in their places. I have the whole insulation all the way, and I have to cut this piece. It's really coming together though. It really, really is. I stuck these in here, so they're in sideways. So my ceiling is going to come in underneath there. There's going to be a slight, like it's going to be screwed here and then screwed up here. So there'll be a drop down in the angle of the ceiling, just slightly, because this wall only comes to this height. So I want the ceiling to be, I want the wall to go in behind the ceiling and not be out. You'll see. You'll see. But the biggest deal is the ceiling is on. The ceiling is on and the lights are in place. And I know there's like sellotape holding some of it together, but there is a ceiling in my bathroom now. I have full ceiling all the way, all the way. Yes, there's sellotape. I don't care. It will be painted. That will stick eventually, and I'll be able to take that off when all the seal and stuff that's inside, all the expanding foam sets and hardens. It will stick to the back of that and it will hold it on nice and strong and firm, and I'll be able to remove all that and level that out. I have a plan, don't worry. We're so close now. It's amazing. That expanding foam is so stinky. I'm going home. Putting a ceiling in is not an easy job, and it's done. It's freaking done, isn't it? Absolutely class. And I went in that side of that window. I didn't do in between the windows because it's just way too narrow base. Yeah, I didn't do in there, but I did over there, and I did that all the way down to the very bottom. I did that little patch up at the very top as well, and that was done before. This here is new. Ta-da! Isn't it so cool? And then in here we have a bit of a mess there, but I don't care. It will do me. All the way, all the way, all the way. And then I realised I have this just sitting here. I didn't actually stick that in because I had a little narrow piece. So I haven't thrown away my wallpaper paste. This is my very last bit of wallpaper, and then I will never do wallpaper for the rest of my life. You ready? Yeah, ready? When you walk in at first, we now have all the wallpaper all here, and it's gorgeous with the curtains. You know that one there was done, but I've continued it on around, so now the back wall has some on that side anyway. And the same matches over this side. That back wall is some. It goes right down and it goes all the way across and all the way over. And I removed the bunk beds. I don't want bunk beds. The bunk beds are gone. And last but not least, the pièce de résistance. The whole bathroom wall is done and done and done. And I am so freaking happy. I'm going home to eat some cake.